Hey, what's up, guy? Welcome to another episode of Angular Programming. Today we're going to be talking about the basic commands of CLI. It's just a pretty useful feature, so might as well let's get to know these commands so that we can use it in our tutorials later. All right, so let's get to it.
Zombie apocalypse.
First of all, let's open our project folder. We're going to have to navigate through our project folder. Alright, so in our project folder, let's do a directory listing first and see what's in there. So this is a bunch of Angular projects that I have set up in the past. So we'll explore a command called ngnew. Ngnew is a command where you can use to create a new Angular CLI project. So in order to create a new project, you do ngnew new project. But this is just an example. Now it's going to take a long time to install all the packages and files, so we're just going to go ahead and fast forward. Alright, so that is ngnew. Is a command we can use to create a new Angular CLI project. So in order to start a project, we do ng-serve. But before that, we have to navigate to a folder first, to the project folder. Do a directory listing first, and we're gonna go inside our Alright, and let's check out our project. Let's assume that we're gonna start run a project. Let's assume we're gonna run a project that has already been created. So let's go into a Beltway FC project. Alright, now that it's in the project, we can do a command ng-serve. This basically bootstraps everything in the Angular CLI project and starts the project. Now, the downside about it is that you have to take note in the message and look at the localhost 4200, and you're going to have to copy this URL and paste it in to the browser in order to test your web app. There's another command that you can use without, it will automatically serve the project and open the browser at the same time. So I will show you a little bit. Alright, so now the Webpack just finished compiled successfully. So we're going to go ahead and check our browser. Remember, guys, it was localhost 4200. So we have localhost 4200. We should see our app running. Alright, now that's awesome. So let's explore another command. Let's type in ng-serve -o. This will basically bootstrap the project, but at the same time open another browser. Alright, so it actually opened another browser, but it's just in another monitor, so you guys cannot see it. But it's actually right here. It opened another browser while it's still loading some stuff. So as you can see, this process takes a lot longer, so you just gotta wait for it. But usually, if you just do ng-serve and then go to the browser, do 4200, you should be fine. But now you should be able to see that the app is now running with the -o command. Another command that we want to look at is ng-generate. So we do ng-generate. Let's say we want to generate a component. component, and then the name of the component. It says my component. Okay. When we do this, it's going to go ahead and create this component and then add a bunch of files inside the folder. So let's see. As you can see, it created a folder, a my component folder inside the project folder. It creates a HTML file, test file, and a .ts file, and it updates them app.module.ts first as well, which is pretty cool. Alright, so another command I want to look at is ngbuild. ngbuild, this command is used when we want to deploy our project to the server. Basically, when our project is done and want to deploy our work to the server, we have to package everything. So we do ngbuild and then prod, which stands for production. When you hit enter, Angular is going to go ahead and rebuild everything and then create a folder called dist where we can upload everything to the server. As you can see, the building process starts. Alright, so we have looked at a bunch of useful commands for Angular CLI, and along the way we'll be looking at a few other commands that will be useful as well. So stay tuned. Peace.
Zombie apocalypse.